Sup guys, I hope you are all doing good, and as most of us might know, the Infinix Zero 8 just launched and is an absolute spec monster. Right off the bat, this is the first Infinix smartphone to come with a Type-C port. It was so surprising that Valor had to double check to see if it was actually legit.
The USB Type-C port on this smartphone. Let me confirm because they can be funny. Okay, yeah, it's a USB Type-C port.
Anyway, the rest of these specs on the phone are really high end, like the 6.5-inch 1080p LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, the Helio G90T processor, 33W fast charging, a massive 4500 mAh battery, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and to top it all off, there are 6 cameras on this phone, 4 at the back and 2 at the front, and it starts at about 117,000 naira. And at this price range, only 2 phones can challenge this monster: the Realme 6 Pro and the Redmi Note 9S or Note 9 Pro. Honestly, there's almost no difference between these 2 phones. This phone straight blows in more ways than none, and I have a comparison video coming up, so subscribe if you want to see that. Anyway, with the specs and the price it comes with, it's really difficult not to recommend the Infinix Zero 8 because I'm really impressed. And did I mention that the front camera had the exact same megapixel as the rear of my Note 9S? It has a 48 megapixel front facing camera, guys. This is so cool. And of course, as Meadow said, this is not a flagship phone, not by any stretch of the imagination. It doesn't have a flagship SoC or flagship camera. Neither does it have a certified IP water resistant rating or a wireless charging, so it can't stand a chance against the big dogs from Samsung, Oppo and Apple. But it's crazy what Infinix are doing here, and this phone is an absolute beast. I can't wait to get my hands on it and compare it to the Redmi Note 9S to see who comes on top. Again, if you want to see that, subscribe and turn on post notification, and I'll see you when I see you next time. Peace.